Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna make some marshmallows. And if you don't know how to do this, is the right channel. So the first ingredient you're gonna need is graham crackers. These are cinnamon. The second option, you're gonna need some marshmallows. And third option, you need some Hershey's. So I'm gonna stick. So I have a bowl with my cracker and chocolate, and then my other, well, that's a huge, so that can be this going on the top. And then I have my marshmallow that it's on a stick. Mom, is this called a stick, Mom? Right?
Skewer.
A skewer. So this is a skewer for like marshmallows. So we're gonna start now. So over here, I think you can see this is the, what's this called, Mom?
What? Just the burner.
The burner. And we're gonna turn this one on.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay, so now we turn it on. Now we're gonna put our marshmallow. We're gonna turn. It's on fire. So now I'm going to turn it off, and it's going to be like this. So I like my burn. It's gonna be fun. So now you're going to put the marshmallow on the chocolate, and put this here. Mom, can you send me a picture of the chocolate? If it's like that, it's okay.
I'm delirious right now. Oh my god, it stinks. Is your video on?
I don't want to be in there.
What?
Sorry guys, that's my mom. Okay, so now let's taste it. Marshmallow. There you go.
What? Okay, just 1 second.
This is good. This is good. Marshmallow and chocolate. So inside, you can see the chocolate melting. Comment down below if you like Fortnite, and yeah, so and then comment down below if you want what's our next challenge for my family, like Hello Neighbor, tag, hide and seek, anything you can put in the comment. Like this video in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did, comment down below, and thank you for watching this video. Hit the bell and subscribe, and see you later.